How AI is revolutionizing data analytics. The present business world is largely influenced by an enormous overflow of data, known as big data. Dealing with this huge amount of both numerical and unstructured data sources requires skills beyond traditional statistical methods. As a result, the application of artificial intelligence, AI, is seen as the vital factor that changes the whole scenario. The data and AI relationship, which is very potent, is essentially changing the way firms get the meaning and the strategic worth of their data. This change is a move of idea from mere descriptive reporting to predictive and prescriptive decision-making. With the help of sophisticated algorithms, AI and data analytics is turned on the spot into intervention-ready intelligence. The outcome of this is the creation of highly refined AI data insights. Thus, the cooperation between data analytics and AI is the condition for the survival of the game in the present world market. What results is an AI-enhanced performance model in which the use of AI and data analytics at a strategic level not only fuels innovation, but also pervades all the functional domains. What is artificial intelligence? To properly discuss its influences on data processing, the first step is to define AI. AI, artificial intelligence, is a large area of computer science that is mostly about the development of computer systems that are able to do the work conventionally done by human beings in the areas of learning, reasoning, and problem solving. The field concentrates on artificial intelligence systems exhibiting human-like intellect. The AI capabilities of the present-day architectures are at the center of the modern artificial intelligence discussion, and they are, mostly, dependent on certain computational techniques. The most prominent of these is machine learning, a method that gives systems the ability to learn from data, discover regularities, and make choices with little direct programming. A very important feature of this is deep learning, which employs artificial neural networks with numerous layers to model complex data, like images or natural language. The set of concepts behind these principles supports the existence of various sophisticated artificial intelligence tools, which have become the integration of numerous industries. For a deeper understanding of AI concepts, check out this blog, Understanding Artificial Intelligence: Why AI Matters in Modern Data Analysis. AI is very relevant to present-day data analysis because it can cope with big data's volume, velocity, and variety very well. Traditional analytics models are often incapable of processing in real time and dealing with complex, nonlinear data relationships. On the other hand, using AI and data analytics makes it possible to quickly accomplish the automation of a great number of tasks that are extremely time-consuming, like data cleansing, feature engineering, and anomaly detection. The automated power is an AI and data analytics signature that enables the execution of continuous monitoring and pattern recognition. The discretion made by the AI for the data analysis mechanism tremendously improves the accuracy of the forecasts and the customization of the client's interactions even at a large scale. Besides that, the work of a human AI data analyst changes from mere data handling to strategic interpretation and supervision, where he/she works together with the automated systems, the ultimate combination of AI and analytics. Thus, this means that the main concern is no longer reporting what happened, but predicting what will happen, hence the necessity of data analysis using AI for organizations that want to perform at their best. How AI transforms data analytics. The incorporation of artificial intelligence is a revolutionary change in the way companies handle their data. Instead of just looking back, companies with the use of AI start to look at data in a whole new way. The era of AI and data analytics means organizations are now able to achieve far more with the use of intelligent algorithms. A contemporary AI platform is at the heart and is the most crucial element of the data pipeline. What these advanced AI and data analytics systems can do is not just the processing of huge data sets, but these systems can also perform complicated mathematical operations on a number of variables at the same time, and do these operations thousands of times faster than the traditional ones. Moreover, the use of AI to AI predict the market and AI generate a report or synthetic data that can be used for decision-making at the executive level is simply awesome. The widespread use of AI automation at every stage of the data lifecycle, from the moment data is captured to the time insight is delivered, is also made possible due to incessant AI development and improvement of these smart machines. You can explore some of the most valuable programs in this field by checking out the guide to top AI certifications, data processing and automation. Arguably, The first and the most prominent of the effects of AI in data analytics is the huge efficiency potential that can be realized through automation alone. The AI automation technology tackles those parts of the data pipeline that are the most boring and time-consuming, i.e., the cleaning, structuring, and transforming of the raw data. The collaboration between AI and automation is instrumental in workers' manual tasks being turned into machine tasks. Thus, the routine is drastically reduced. Key AI features in this domain are such things as automated anomaly detection and data flow management in real time. An AI assistant may alleviate the complex difficulties of data preparation by providing human analysts with in-depth guidance and instruction, thus enabling them to work more efficiently. It is these fundamental AI capabilities that guarantee analysts less time to be wasted on data preparation and more time to be spent on strategic interpretation. Machine learning and predictive analytics. The main turning point for AI and data analytics change of power in the field of analytical investigations.